Welcome and welcome back to my channel, everyone. It is B. Lachey here. Melody Susie sent me over this wonderful gift box full of goodies, and we are going to get right into it, starting with these beautiful blue crystals. They actually sent me over two, but I lost the footage from me showing you the other ones up close. But we're moving right along. They sent me this nail trimmer because the high quality nail tips they sent me are a bit long. I'm gonna trim them a little, but not too much. I'm so thrilled that they sent me over this assortment of nail art and detail brushes and just, yeah. Let's start opening these right now. My first impressions of these brushes is I know that they are super high quality. They're very soft. They're super cute. Like, look at the designs. I love the stones in the handle. It doesn't give me that set from Amazon that falls apart. You guys know which one I'm talking about. I've had to use nail glue a couple times to put my little crystals back in and fix my brush. But Melody Susie has got you covered with these high quality accessories. So I'm going to be using these fine brushes to do my French for sure. This ombre brush, I am intrigued. I usually do my ombre the hard way, so it's nice to know that I have a tool to use. Okay, so getting into one of my favorite parts of this accessory gift box. 10 files. 10 of them. Like, to get files in bulk, I buy from Amazon, but I know that's super expensive. So the fact that they even thought to be angels like this and send me this many, I'm thrilled. And these dotting tools, oh my god, nail art is going to be a breeze. They sent me different sizes, and I think that's very important, based on whatever you're trying to achieve, whether that's stars, fine lines, you're covered. Thank you, Melody Susie. Also, they sent me these super high quality nail tips. Like, come on, look at these. Look at these. They're tapered, they're square, there's 240 pieces. That is amazing. Like, I can get 2 sets out of one of these. So yeah, let's just get started. Let's get into this. Today, we're going to be doing something a little cool. I am so ready to give you guys nail art inspiration. What I want to focus on is just getting into the perfect prep so that I can have the most long-lasting set, because I do leave my nails on longer now. My prep has improved greatly, and my application has improved. We're going to get into that as well. And we're going to do all this while using this gift box from Melody Susie. Okay, guys, I'm going to get into my prep now, pushing back my cuticles because I have some leftover product from my other set. I did the bad thing and just ripped my nails off. I know that I should have soaked them off, just done it properly. But, sometimes we do bad things. And now I have to go in really carefully and get in all those nooks and crannies to push that old polygel out of there. So that's what you see me doing, and I'm gonna do this hand today and my other hand tomorrow. But yeah, get into the prep. All products used and mentioned will be in the description box below, as well as a discount code to use on the Melody Susie website. Happy shopping! I want to talk to you about this cuticle bit. You just have to make sure you're not pressing it into your actual nail, because it will create a dip in your nail. It will take it off. What I do is I just go really close towards my cuticle area, and I'm able to blast away all of that product. It's so strong, and not to mention my drill is amazing as well. It's really strong and it's very quiet and it's cordless. But this bit here, as you can see, is just powering through the cuticle, powering through the product, and it's not digging into my natural nail. Not only is the way I'm holding it helping, but it's just a super great bit for cuticle prep. Moving on, I am still blown away by the quality of these tips, but let's start sizing them out. They seem very durable and strong, and the corners were kind of really straight and my nail curves in, so I did have to go on top with some extra glue while I was adhering them. But I don't think that'll be an issue that you can't fix by just making sure that you're properly gluing them down and pressing them down to your actual nail. The thumb was a bit off for me because my thumb is really flat. So instead of just gluing it down, I actually had to take it down some at those corners. The glue that I'm using is the Goldfinger glue from Amazon, and it is amazing and it lasts pretty long. I am now up to wearing my nails with no issue, no lifting, no popping off. I'm at a week and a half now to 2 weeks with no issue. And that's great for just watching my retention because I do other people's nails and they're just using their nails as tools, and your nails are jewels, not tools. And now I'm gonna prep my natural nail for the adhesion of these products. You guys know that I am in cosmetology school and I graduate in 7 days. Well, 7 business days. I graduate and I'm super excited, but this came in my kit, so I thought, why not use it? All my classmates tell me nothing but good things about this product, so here we go, trying out this Band-Aid. I don't currently have a coupon code, OPI, holla at me, but it will be linked below. And the tips are giving quality, babe. Look at these. Oh, the C curve is to die. So I'm going in with my color P004 from Moravan. It's a pretty bubblegum pink. It's a little transparent, but not much. Oh my baby, the stick. I love the cuticle stick. It is my boo. It has grown my skills, like really just building the apex, knowing the thickness that should be in what area, how much product to put on your sidewalls. Just honestly, the stick has trained me and it is very soothing to apply with the stick. But since I've been doing others' nails, I do need to find a brush that I like. It is very hard for me to find a brush that I like, but look at that. I used to pray for times like this, like to have an apex that high, Meek Mill voice. I used to pray, but I do want to find a brush, guys. I know I'm the girl that does it with the stick and the stick only, but I do think that just for speed, I could get a bigger brush, or maybe I could get a bigger stick. I don't know if they sell bigger cuticle sticks because I think that may be something. If a bigger stick was created for me to use to do my little stomp stomp all over the polygel, I'd probably use that too. That would be good. Because the brush, I'm just always going to be against how sticky the brush becomes and just how it's not as easy to maintain as my stick. And look at that apex. The proof is there. Like, how you get it so smooth like that? You see how smooth it is? Like, come on. I am going to emphasize with these files. I really want to test this file out and see how good it really is. I want to put it to the test and really just get in there and get my nails as perfectly shaped as possible. I am going to use my drill, but I really want to put these Melody Susie nail files to the test. Is this my new favorite? Okay, so the file worked perfectly, okay? Now I'm just gonna go in and seal my cuticle. Here I am again with my favorite bit. I'm just using this to go in and really bevel out and smooth in that cuticle area. And this works so well. I really want you guys to try out like different bits because they're just the best. Now, I told you guys earlier in the video that there was no nail buffer included, so I wasn't able to buff away the scratches on my nails because I don't have one. I didn't have one before the gift box was sent to me, so I don't have one now. And I had scratches on my nails, but you guys know that I don't mind. This is me doing my own nails. If it was someone else's nails, I would definitely have gone to go and get a buffer. I did later go in with a 240 grit sanding band so that I could smooth the nail out better and draw my nail art and most definitely my Frenchies. I feel like it's always chaotic when I draw my Frenchies out, but it's okay. You're still here, and I'm here with you. You're not alone. So I didn't end up using the round brush because, like, it's just something, I don't know. If it was dual ended and one end was round and one end was like a fine brush, maybe I'd use both. But I don't know. I get into my creative process and I use whatever tools are closest to me. And as you can see, you see these blue crystals. This is the same brush that I'm using over and over again. I think I did use it a bit for cleanup, but not as much as I planned on doing it. I plan to just make paint the nail white, like half of the nail white, and then use the round detailing brush to clean out the line for the Frenchies and kind of draw the line, make the smile line, clean it out. But I didn't do it like that. I ended up being chaotic as I usually am. These nail tips are giving, okay? This brush, this nail art brush, is giving me lines that I have never been able to draw before, okay? Let's get into the quality of the materials. They're giving me quality, and I love that, okay? So I am drawing some abstract lines. I'm also going to use both of the variety of charms that they sent me. Well, not charms, they're stones. They sent me different assorted rhinestones in 2 different colors, multiple size variations, and I'm going to be using those stones on my middle finger as an accent. I'm going to use both colors. They sent me some deep, like navy, like dark, should I say sapphire, or is that not? I don't know. They sent me some dark blue stones, and they also sent me some like iridescent AB kind of, like, you're gonna see them. They're super pretty. But look at this nail art. Look at how it's coming out. Thank you, Melody Susie, for sending me these amazing brushes. And I'm gonna go in with my top coat. I'm doing a kind of flood the cuticle method because I did have scratches on my nails and I wanted those scratches to be peeled. But overall, this nail accessory kit, the gift box, it was amazing. Like, this set is beautiful. Thank you so much, Melody Susie, again. I'm gonna also be applying some of my Chrome Hearts charms, which I love. It was just the blue. I feel like it would go great with the design I did, and it would match perfectly with the Melody Susie rhinestones. I usually am just lazy and I go straight in with the top coat, but I did put base coat first because we do have scratches, right? So I used some base coat first. That was the one with the silver cap, and this is the top coat. Now I'm gonna apply my charms and stones. And I must say, I did have a horrible case of the shakes while I was doing my nail art. And these brushes, with them being the length that they were and the size that they were, I was still able to get control. And what that tells me is the Melody Susie nail art brushes are a great beginner friendly option for those of you doing your nail art. Just the size of the brush and how fine the tip is, it really just allows you to keep a steady line. Oh my God, look at how beautiful these came out. Look at the tips. I'm in love with these C-curve tips. I'm in love with this set. I'm gonna give you guys a couple different angles, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.